Matt with Bright Ideas Egress, and I'm here to show you how to remove this window sash in case you'd like to move some furniture or larger objects out of your basement. What you're going to want to do is go to the tilt position here. Then you'll be able to pop this top hinge cover off and take your hammer with a simple hole punch, anything with a smaller end on it, and just give it a few taps to get it started down here on the bottom. And then you can use a pry bar to help you work its way out. And as you saw, you got the hinge pinned out now. Don't lose that, that's very vital. And then your window itself will slip out of this bottom hinge. Go to egress, sorry. It'll come out for you, and then you can replace and do whatever you want with this. To put this back in, what you're going to want to do is line up the bottom hinge with that rod. Close your window completely. Leave it in the egress position so you can move this hinge. You'll take your hinge pin and notice the direction. There is a flat end on it. That'll go in towards the window sash. You shouldn't have to fight with this pin at all. If you do, then something's wrong. But then she's in, you put your hinge cover on, and you're good to go.